Hello students, we are going to discuss about humidification problems. Second question, a mixture of benzene and dry air at a temperature of 303 Kelvin and a pressure of 101.325 kilopascal is found to have a dew point of 288 Kelvin. So calculate first question. So the percentage by volume of benzene. Second question, moles of benzene per moles of dry air. Data, vapor pressure of benzene at 288 Kelvin is equal to 7.999 kilopascal. So the first, read the problem carefully, identify the system. So which component is the vapor, which component is the gas? From this problem, benzene is a vapor, air is a gas. So the system is air benzene system. So then air is the component B, benzene is the component A. Are you clear? Okay. So dBT is equal to 303 Kelvin. Capital P is equal to 101.325 kilopascal. Dew point is equal to 288 Kelvin. Objective of this problem, percentage by volume of benzene. So that is the volume percentage. Already you are familiar. Volume percentage is equal to mole percentage is equal to pressure percentage. Are you clear or not? Okay. Second division, moles of benzene per moles of dry air, that is equal to mole of humidity. So the data, vapor pressure of benzene at dP. What is dP? 288 Kelvin. Are you clear or not? Okay. So that is equal to 7.999 kilopascal. So students, one thing is very important here. In humidification operation at dP, partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. So here vapor pressure is given at dew point. You should take, so the vapor pressure is equal to partial pressure. So that's why you will consider 7.999 kilopascal is equal to partial pressure. Are you clear or not? Okay. So why? Because so the temperature is a dP. dP is a condensation temperature. So the capital PA is a partial pressure, that is equal to 7.999 kilopascal. Basis of this problem, benzene air system. Data, dBT is equal to 303 Kelvin. dP is equal to 288 Kelvin. Total pressure is equal to 101.325 kilopascal. So at dP, partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. So that's why the capital PA is equal to 7.999 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So objective of this problem, volume percentage of benzene, then absolute molar humidity, moles of benzene per moles of dry air. So the solution part, this part is very important here. Students, already you know the concept, volume percentage is equal to mole percentage is equal to pressure percentage. First division, pressure percentage of benzene. You know the pressure only, that's why we are going to calculate pressure percentage of benzene. Finally we know the concept, pressure percentage is equal to volume percentage. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here pressure percentage of benzene is equal to individual pressure divided by total pressure multiplied by 100. Individual pressure you know, total pressure also given data, multiply by 100. Pressure percentage of benzene is equal to, finally we get 7.89. So you know the concept, pressure percentage is equal to volume percentage. So that's why directly taken as volume percentage of benzene, 7.89. Second division, moles of benzene divided by moles of dry air, that is equal to absolute molar humidity. Volume percentage is equal to mole percentage. Are you agree? Yes. So we need moles value. How will we calculate moles value? So here volume percentage of benzene is known. That percentage directly taken as mole percentage as per the condition. Mole percentage of benzene is equal to 7.89. So the one component is the benzene. What about the other component? Dry air. So how will we calculate mole percentage of dry air? Total percentages are 100. So the mole percentage of benzene is known. 100 minus mole percentage of benzene is equal to mole percentage of dry air. So here 100 minus 7.89 is equal to 92.11. So this is the mole percentage of dry air. Percentages are directly taken as kilomole. So already we have mole percentage of benzene and mole percentage of dry air. So that value taken as kilomole. Kilomoles notation N. Number of moles of benzene is equal to 7.89 kilomole. Number of moles of air is equal to 92.11 kilomole. Number of moles notation small n. So finally the question of the problem, moles of benzene to moles of dry air. So this is the absolute molar chemical. So the moles of benzene divided by moles of dry air is equal to 7.89 divided by 92.11, that is equal to 0.0856. Thank you for your attention.